Hello. 2 weeks ago I did a grapevine video of bud break, and so it's been, like I said, 2 weeks since I want to do an update on what they look like now, and I'll try to do one every couple weeks just to do a little vlog, at least for myself, just so I can see how my grapevines progress from spring to, through summer and fruiting and through harvest and pruning and all that. So here we go. Yeah, well, here's what it looks like now. And you can't really tell, but this is about 2 inches wide. This is the second year. First year I was pencil thickness, believe it or not, and it grew to about 2 inches wide in the first year. But you gotta remember, in Arizona, we get like 9 months of summer, so things grow a little bit faster than they do in other places. So anyway, this is 2 weeks after bud break. You can see a few of these are a little over a foot long. This is a red flame, a little leaf damage here. And this is a Thompson right next to it. I would say it's about 8 inches long there. A little grape flower forming. Another grape flower forming here. And quite a few growths. I thinned out some of the ones that were pointing down, just so that I wouldn't have too much. Like this one right here could probably come off. I try to imagine, about 6 inches or so between some of these new fruiting canes. Right there we have a couple bundles of grape flowers forming back here. You can see those. Actually reminds me of a male mulberry flower. This is a pretty long cordon. I'm just doing experiments. Some of mine I'm doing like a umbrella niffin. Some of them I'm just doing this cordon type. I might turn this into a spud or a spur pruned grapevine. Just kind of experimenting. This is the one I planted upside down. It's doing pretty well as well. Even has 2 grape flowers coming out here. I don't know if you can see that. And I have one there. This is just an extra layered cane that I put under as an experiment, and it popped right up. So I might cut that out and give it to someone. So they're all growing pretty fast. Most of these have over a foot long of growth already in the first 2 weeks after bud break. I think that's normal for some varieties, especially in Arizona. I have about a dozen other grapevines. I'm not gonna walk all around the yard and make you watch that, but you get the idea. That's 2 weeks in. Thanks for watching.